good dip at the Sangam. After that I'm wearing this wool cap and I've changed now. This is the Sangam. I took a boat and I went to that point. I was alone and I just shared, like there was a couple, so I just spoke to the lady and I went with them. It's quite doable. Any solo woman can come. Just take some group with girls in it and just stick along, and they are also happy enough. And it was actually good because the boat guy said that we won't take care of your bags. One of you have to stay back. So I stayed with the bags. Those two couple was able to go on their own. Otherwise, you know, they would have to go one after the other. And then after they came back, I went and took a dip on my own, and it was really beautiful and a powerful experience. After that I came back and I changed in this changing room, which I want to show you actually. This is made of recyclable material, if you see this, and it's very nice. It's a little dirty, but it's clean enough to stand there is no problem. There are some hooks on this side to just hang your clothes and bag and everything, and it is very much possible. There's a latch, so you just latch it on your own and everything can be done. I was carrying one plastic bag, like a garbage bag like this, to keep my wet clothes. So I put my wet clothes and now I am roaming around, and if I want I'll take a motorbike or some kind of ride to my place and dump these clothes. I can roam around if I'm fine just carrying them around. The dip was very recharging and a very powerful experience. So someone may be wondering why to do alone. It's totally up to you. I'm just saying if you're alone you can do. And honestly, I find it extremely liberating because it's not just about not having the company. I actually have company. There are few different groups of friends who are here and there. I can just coordinate with them and go, but I want to do things at my time first of all. And I may have preferences. No, I may want to do at a time where they're less crowded. Somebody else will say, नहीं मेरे को मुहूर्त में करना है तो पूरे crowd में जाऊंगी. तो वो सब problems है ना. और दूसरी बात ये है कि honestly when you are in a group of people you know, lot of times I have seen there's just way more fuss. Well, everyone expects you to kind of work with them. They will expect you, maybe somebody wants to do a photo shoot at the Sangam, you know, instead of taking the dip. So then I have to sit and click photos for them because I'm part of their group. That is the expectation. This is just one example. A lot of such things happen. So I personally feel doing it alone, the other strangers I've gone with in the boat can't have much expectations from me. I don't have much to do with them. I'm friendly, nice. It's a different way to be in the world actually, and I find it a very powerful way. It's not that I'm against doing anything as a group. If you have a great camaraderie, especially if you are in a group, then there is the element of doing it together for the sake of harmony.